Finding the courage to change, discovering the momentum of thought. Have you ever had the experience of saying the wrong thing, and then you just keep digging the hole deeper and deeper? You don't want to continue. Things are going from bad to worse, but you just can't seem to stop yourself. Like me, you've experienced the momentum of thoughts. I love the metaphor of a train of thought. The train is committed to a direction by the track that it is on. It cannot swerve or turn or choose a different direction. It's going to continue on that track. Because a train is very heavy and powerful, it also has a lot of momentum. It's difficult to stop it. Once it's moving along, it takes many miles to bring it to a stop. My inner train is just like that. Once it gets going, it's hard to stop and hard to change directions. I think that's why we so love entertainment and distractions. Just for a little while, I get some relief from that negative train heading to Crazy Town. But it's possible to be more aware of my thinking. I can notice that I'm about to board the wrong train. I can choose a positive train or a happy train or a grateful train. I have the power to choose the train I'm on with my focus and attention. Sometimes I can change trains. I suddenly realize that I'm on the wrong train. I can find a way to get off at the next station and pick a new emotional direction. Sometimes I can activate the switch that will allow my negative train to gently take a new track. By practicing awareness and making new choices, I take advantage of momentum and ride the train to Happy Town.